Got no time? Got a test? It's time to cram.
Hello, dear students. How are you all? For success, attitude is equally as important as ability. Maths by Murtaza sir. Let us begin today's class. In these videos, we will solve important board-oriented questions, practice model question paper problems, learn step-by-step methods for full marks, understand smart shortcuts and common mistakes, build speed, accuracy, and confidence. Whether your goal is passing comfortably or scoring distinction, this series is designed exactly for you. So keep your notebook ready, stay focused, and let's make maths simple and scoring 100%. Before we start today's topic, let's warm up our brain with a small challenge. If x plus 1 upon x equal to 5, can you find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square? Don't calculate blindly, think logically, pause the video and try for 30 seconds. Now your time up. Let us see the answer. We know the identity x plus 1 upon x bracket over square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. If we substitute the value in this identity, we will have 5 square equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. And then last step, we will get x square plus 1 upon x square as a result 23. So the answer is 23. So I hope you understand this method, how we have used the formula, how we have used the identity to solve the sum very quickly. So see how understanding formulas saves time in board exams. So if we have a command, very good command on the formulas of the syllabus, then we will not get any challenges or problem in the board examination. Excellent. You have done very well in the previous sum. Your brain is now warmed up. Today, we are going to solve important board level questions from model papers exactly as expected in the exam. I will also show you how to write tips for full marks, how examiners evaluate answers, where students commonly lose marks, and time saving techniques. So let us begin today's lesson. Stay connected with Maths by Murtaza sir. So this is our first model question paper 1. In this video, we will cover two multiple choice questions, go through it, learn from it. Then in the next video, we will solve some more multiple choice questions followed by very short answer questions.
First question is the HCF of 3 and 5. We know that 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Prime number having only two factors, 1 and number itself. So they do not have any other common factor in between both. So that is why the HCF is a 1. Second question for the polynomial. You can see the graph of the polynomial here. The graph intersecting with x-axis at different points. Let us find how many points are there with the intersection of the graph with x-axis. Here this is the first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. So answer is 4. So in this way, we will solve the entire board question paper of set 1. So in this video today, here we will end up. So give comments, like, share and subscribe the video and wait for the next upcoming video.